Hey keto bakers, if you thought croissants were off limits on keto, think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to make keto croissants that are buttery, flaky, and absolutely delicious. I promise, these will absolutely knock your socks off. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make these keto-friendly croissants. 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk powder for extra flakiness, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 2 large eggs, 1 for the dough and 1 for the egg wash, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter for brushing. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees or 190 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then, in a mixing bowl, combine the almond flour, coconut flour, psyllium husk powder, baking powder, and salt. Stir everything together so it's evenly mixed. Next, we're going to melt the mozzarella and cream cheese. Place them in a microwave-safe bowl and microwave on high in 30-second intervals, stirring between each until it's smooth and melted. Now, add the melted cheese mixture to the dry ingredients. Crack in one of the eggs and mix everything until a dough forms. You might need to use your hands to knead it all together until it's smooth. Place the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper and roll it out into a thin rectangle, about 1/4 inch thick. Now for the fun part, shaping the croissants. Cut the dough into triangles. Starting from the wide end, roll each triangle towards the tip to form that classic croissant shape. Transfer your croissants to the baking sheet. Beat the remaining egg and brush it over the croissants for that beautiful golden finish. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown and smelling amazing. When they're fresh out of the oven, brush them with melted butter. This gives them that extra buttery shine and flavor. And there you have it. Flaky, golden, keto croissants that taste like a dream. Perfect for breakfast or anytime you're craving that pastry goodness without the carbs.